Think about the times you let me go, falling through the cracks, emotional. I struggle to see what your reasons are. Sitting in your balance, silence breaks my heart. Turn the key, used to be our getaway car. Now I only wanna get away from where we are. Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. No matter what.
If the sailboat doesn't capsize naturally through the grace of your own sailing, you'll have to capsize it yourself when performing a controlled capsize. Push, don't pull, the mast. That will ensure that when you enter the water, the boat actually capsizes. Students tend to want to let go when they are falling backwards. Next, immediately swim around to the centerboard. Apply your weight on the tip of the centerboard to maximize your bowman arm, and thus your rotational force to upright the Zest. Finally, swim to the stern of the boat to get back in. Rotate the boat with your swimming, if necessary, to keep it in irons. To re-enter your Zest, grab the hiking strap, the black strap in the center of the boat, and start dolphin kicking and grabbing higher and higher to climb back in. Congratulations, you are wet, and so is your sail. The best way to dry the sail is to sail. The best way to get you clean is with a shower, a towel, and some Old Spice deodorant. The dry roll is an athletic maneuver to uncapsize without ever getting wet. The simplest dry roll involves grabbing onto the edge of your boat and throwing your weight against it as the mast hits the water to right your boat before you go in. Another more athletic method is to step onto your mast as it lies upon the water and climb the hull of your boat to the centerboard. With better timing than I demonstrate, you can climb in as the boat rights and stay completely dry. Subscribe for more smooth sailing content.